Hey, how's it going? My name is Near Blue, and I want to show you this really cool thing I've been playing around with. I don't know if you know Sfizz, but that's a really epic VST plugin that allows you to create your own choir, and you basically take each note has its own take or a bunch of takes, and you compile it into this choir. And let me show you what we're gonna do today. Now I made this really cool script that allows you to do it pretty easily. This is my choir. All right, let's get to it. So I'm just gonna make a new directory for it. And we're gonna clone my Git repository, which is pretty easy. Go git clone http github.com/nearblue/choir maker.git. Once it's done, you're gonna have this choir maker directory with a bunch of stuff in it. So we're gonna create a Python environment. It's very important to have your Python environment for each thing you're running. I'm using pyenv, but you can use whatever. Virtual env. We're gonna use 3.12, and we're gonna call it my choir. I don't know. Then we're gonna activate it. Activate my choir. And next thing, we're gonna install all the requirements. Pip install -r requirements.txt. Once it's done, we're gonna run python main.py. Pretty simple, right? Oh, Python, no, main.py. There we go. And it's still work in progress, so forgive my very miserable UI. Let's make it a bit longer. Each sample will go longer. The countdown in between, so it's basically gonna play a note and then you're gonna sing that note. So the countdown in between is gonna be like how long. So it's usually go beep and then 3, 2, 1, and you go supposed to go ah. But I'm gonna do it 1 second because we're gonna make it fast. We're gonna start at note C3. We're gonna get the right input. You can test it, see that there's check, 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 you see, and see the output, and let's go for it. Oh, I don't know if I want to do oh. Maybe I want to do yeah, maybe. Let's try it again. We'll go for it. Let's see what happens. It's not going to be perfect, okay? A little off, eh? Let's try it again. Um. 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 If you want to do more samples, you can go keep and record again, and then it will just compile more samples. But we're just gonna do one at a time. Um. 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 I don't know if that was a good one. Let's try again. I don't know. No, that's not. I don't know. Try again. Oh, you know, that's probably the best I can do. So let's finish it here and see what we got. And here we can author the Sfizz file. We're gonna call it choir, and everything else is fine. We'll just keep it, generate it, and go back to this. We're working on Ardour, by the way. I love Ardour. It's a great open source software. And we're gonna go here to my choir maker, and inside the samples we're gonna have the cool Sfizz file choir. Let's see how it sounds. Whoops, it's a bit heavy for it, all of the recordings, but I think we can have it. Whoa, come on. Let's try it. Well, you got the idea. This is how we do it, and I would love if anybody make some of these files. If you posted it on GitHub or somewhere, I'd love to play around with it, and I'll try to leave some of my choirs as well up there. And I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.